Good day. I am here to report about the testing for the proposed air conditioning design setup for the laboratory report 4. So what is air conditioning system? It is an electrical device designed to remove heat and moisture from the inside of an inhabited area. It is a typical method used to create a more pleasant atmosphere, mostly for humans and other animals. So the first modern air conditioner was invented in year 1902 by Willis Haviland Carrier. Objectives of an air conditioning system: to determine the enthalpy, to determine the absolute humidity, and this figure shows the process of the air conditioning system. Advantages of air conditioning system: improves comfort level at work as well as leisure, enhances job performance, results in augmented intellectual and physical activity. Lower or chill temperature diminishes the existence of parasites and insects. Lower temperature means less sweating, decreasing the dehydration risk. Air conditioning system also assists in including external allergens like pollen. Good installation and maintenance of the air conditioner renews and enhances the quality of air. Disadvantages of air conditioning system: unexpected changes in humidity and temperature affects individual's respiratory system. Regular usage of air conditioner dries skin and mucous membranes. Ambient noise leads to noise pollution. Air circulation even transmit infectious respiratory diseases. Airborne dust, fungi causes allergic reactions. Air conditioning is related with chronic rhinitis and bronchitis, hoarseness, and throat irritation. Air conditioning can worsen eye condition like conjunctivitis, blepharitis, and also results in causing problem for contact lens wearers. Sometimes indoor air pollution is greater than outdoor air pollution. If indoor air contains allergens, you may suffer from nasal issues, headaches, itchy eyes, difficulty breathing, and dizziness. In extreme cases, pneumonia attacks can also develop. Spending long hours in air-conditioned offices or home, you may also suffer heat intolerance when you go outside. So this figure is the schematic diagram of the proposed air conditioning system. Components of air conditioning system: evaporator, condenser, compressor, expansion valve, filter, chiller, and fan. Layout for the proposed air conditioning system. So for the instrumentation used, first is the psychrometric chart. It enables us to determine the quantities such as enthalpy, specific volume, relative humidity, absolute humidity, and even dew point temperature of the refrigerant. These quantities can be determined by knowing the values of dry and wet bulb temperatures. This figure shows the values and the dry bulb, wet bulb, and the relative humidity of the psychrometric chart. Second is the hygrometer, where its humidity measurement instruments usually rely on measurements of some other quantities such as temperature, pressure, mass, a mechanical or electrical change in a substance as moisture is absorbed. This figure is the hygrometer. Next is the digital thermometer. It is used to measure the atmospheric air temperature. So for the results and discussion, so based from my knowledge about air conditioning, the process associated with the removal of heat from the air is the condensation process, which occurs in the evaporator of the system. is when the refrigerant enters the evaporator and has low pressure and low saturation temperature at the subcooled state. Since the temperature of the evaporator is greater, which causes the refrigerant to undergo evaporation by absorbing the heat from the surroundings. In addition, the temperature of air would be much cooler when it leaves to the evaporator, which loses thermal heat energy and undergoes condensation. With this experimental setup design, it defines how significant is the use of psychrometric chart in determining the values of the dry and wet bulb temperatures, properties of fluid like specific volume, specific humidity, and temperature and pressure. That's all. Thank you.